While flavored beverages might taste great and might just quench your thirst, water remains a luxury that we mostly disregard. Water, one of the most abundantly available resources, is also one of the best remedies to various health concerns that arise in our bodies due to the consumption of these flavored drinks. Ever wondered what would happen if you swap all your beverages with water? Watch on to find out 5 of the most definite changes in your body that you would notice if you replace each of your beverages with water. 1. Increased cognitive abilities. Swapping all other beverages with water has a profound effect on your cognitive ability. Brain functioning depends a lot on the amount of water intake, and any lack of it might trigger memory loss, brain fatigue and headaches. The brain itself consists of 85% water, and so it is of absolute necessity to keep it hydrated. Swapping other beverages with water increases your brain function and improves your focus, memory as well as prevents disorders like a deficit of attention. 2. Increased metabolism rate. Kidneys are one of the most important organs of the body, and they rely on water to function correctly. Due to a lack of adequate water, kidneys might not function well, which in turn puts the pressure on the liver to take up the job, release the vital toxins. While the liver acts on behalf of the kidney, it overlooks its job of metabolizing the stored fat of the body into energy. A lower metabolism rate is not at all good for the body and can lead to detrimental health effects. Drinking water throughout the day keeps the kidneys hydrated and maintains the optimum metabolism rate. 3. Improved detoxification. It's quite commonly known that water is one of the best detoxifiers that you can get your hands upon, not to mention the cheapest as well. An adequate supply of water helps in the transport of nutrients to every cell of the body, flushes out the toxic wastes, improves digestive abilities and keeps the kidneys healthy. Healthy kidneys ensure that the waste and toxins are released from the body regularly and are not allowed to build up. An adequate supply of water can ensure healthy and glowing skin. So, replacing all other drinks with water gives you that additional glow that you so wanted your skin to possess. 4. Improved hair and skin health. Dehydrated hair can cause various problems like hair fall, dullness of the hair and dandruff among others. It is therefore of utmost importance to keep your hair well hydrated. For naturally glowing hair, just gulp down water instead of all those beverages and see the difference for yourself. Same goes for the skin as well. Drinking water throughout the day keeps your skin hydrated and eliminates problems like flakiness and dullness of the skin. 5. Improved calorie control. It is an age-old practice to drink more water when you are dieting. For years, drinking loads of water is considered to be one of the best weight loss strategies. Replacing other beverages with water curbs your calorie intake, and effectively helps you in losing weight. Also, an increased hydration level leads to better metabolism, which in turn is great for weight loss. The list doesn't just stop at that. Drinking adequate water has a profound effect on your heart, lowering the risk of heart attacks by 41%. It also suppresses your appetite, which helps in your weight loss regime. So think no more and curb all those flavored drinks that you were having until now and start drinking water to do your health a hell lot of good. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel.